While installing AutoTurn, select the platform for which you want to create shortcuts of AutoTurn. I have selected ORD, MicroStation and OpenSite Designer, and an instruction page will open in Notepad. You can save that. Let's see if at all you don't get AutoTurn tab inside your software, then how you can load AutoTurn in the software. I'm going to open MicroStation first. After installation, AutoTurn Pro is embedded in MicroStation. Here you can see under drawing workflow AutoTurn Pro and options. So you are all set to use AutoTurn in MicroStation now. But if you don't get this, you can go to utilities and then MDL application, and you can browse for .ma file. So what is .ma file? Once you install the software, in program files you can get a Transoft Solutions folder, and in that folder you will find the atcn.ma file. So you have to load this file and load the AutoTurn. These instructions are given in the notepad you have saved. Also you can type mdl load in keying window and give the actual path of .ma file and load AutoTurn. The other way to load AutoTurn, go to File, in Settings, in User, click on Function Keys for F4, check all these Control Alt Shift, and in Action paste the path of .ma file. Here you have to make sure that you write the AutoTurn version of yours which you have installed. Click on Save. AutoTurn will be loaded in the software. Again, if AutoTurn is not appearing on the ribbon, then you have to load the dgnlib. This is the AutoTurn dgn library. To do that, you just have to go to Files, in Settings, in Configuration variable, find ms underscore GUI dgnliblist, edit that, choose edit mode as append, and in new value section you have to paste the path of dgnlib along with the name of dgnlib. Click on OK, and on the ribbon AutoTurn will appear.